So let's look these classes code. We see we write for H2 database, but now we use PostgreSQL. So let's rename this class and generate for impl for database, some commercial database, and change db, repo db, and attach to our controller by this TP. Okay, but also we can notice this problem. We have a GPA, Java Persistence API repository, and this our repository with business logic for interaction with the database, book repository, and the impulse for database and without database, and GPA. To avoid this confusion with the two repositories, let's add a new architectural layer. So we have a repository, and we will have a service, a book service. This book repository we will annotate with the service from org Springfield org stereotype. This is also stereotype annotation, look like a repository. And let's rename book repository book db service, service for interaction with database, db service, with these methods. Okay, and let's change the implementation. Book db service simple, yes, and for database, book db service simple for database. And in this service we will attach our repository from GPA, book repository GPA, that will implement GPA repository with methods delete, find, save for saving, and etc. Okay, and now we will attach to controller our service, and instead of repo, this must be book service, book db service, and all code we stay without change. Okay, let's restart our application, and we see that our program works well. We can create a new book, and the program works. What did we do? Firstly, we create a repository, this interface, book repository. We can send it repository in the context this book repository, and after wire this repository for our service. We create an interface of service with necessary functions and implement this function for interaction with service, and we can add an outer wire. And if there is only one constructor, this annotation can be omitted, but I like to indicate it. Outer wire, and inject this GPA, book repository GPA, to implementation of our service in the constructor, and just inject this service in our controller and use its methods. Good job! See you in the next lesson.